Here's what you need to know about Site123 before committing. In this video, we'll cover 12 essential things to consider so you can decide if it's the right choice or if there's a better option for you out there. Let's dive right in. First thing, Site123 is popular for its simplicity. It's designed for people who want to get a website or a landing page live quickly without needing technical skills. But compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace, it has fewer customization options. If you're someone who wants total design control, you might feel limited here. Next thing, the editor is straightforward. It uses a block-based system where you can choose from pre-designed templates and adjust them. It's much easier to use than drag-and-drop builders like Elementor, but the trade-off is less flexibility. You can only move elements within the set structure, which could feel restrictive. The third thing is pricing. Site123 offers a free plan, but it's pretty basic. Your site will have ads, and you'll need to upgrade to remove them. Premium plans start at an affordable price compared to alternatives, but you might notice that features like e-commerce and custom domain support are only available on higher tiers. Fourth thing, Site123 is SEO friendly kind of. You can edit meta tags, titles, and descriptions, but more advanced features like schema markup and deep integration with tools like Google Search Console aren't as robust as other platforms. If SEO is critical for you, this might be a deal breaker. Next, Site123 handles speed and hosting for you. Websites built here are fast and secure because they're hosted on their servers. It's a nice perk compared to some DIY platforms where you have to worry about hosting, but it also means you're locked into their ecosystem. The sixth thing is mobile optimization. Site123 ensures your website is automatically mobile friendly, which is a big win. However, unlike competitors, you can't tweak the mobile view independently of the desktop design. If mobile customization is a priority, you'll want to look elsewhere. Another key point is e-commerce. While Site123 does support online stores, it's not as feature-rich as Shopify or even Wix's e-commerce tools. You can sell products and accept payments, but you won't get advanced options like abandoned cart recovery or in-depth analytics. Eighth thing, customer support. Site123 offers live chat support 24/7, which is better than many competitors that rely on email or ticket systems. However, the responses can feel generic at times, and the knowledge base is somewhat limited. Next, integrations. Site123 supports some third-party tools, but the list is short compared to platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. If you're heavily reliant on integrations for email marketing, analytics, or other features, you might feel constrained. The 10th thing is multi-language support. This is one area where Site123 stands out. You can easily set up a multi-language website without the hassle of plugins, which is great if you're targeting an international audience. Next, updates and scalability. Site123 is better for smaller projects, like personal websites or small business landing pages. If your needs grow or you want to scale, the platform might feel too basic compared to more advanced options like Webflow. Finally, let's talk about design. While the templates look clean and modern, they aren't as unique or customizable as what you'll find on Squarespace or Webflow. If design aesthetics are crucial for your brand, you may want to explore other tools. Overall, Site123 is a decent option for beginners who prioritize ease of use over customization. But if you're looking for something more robust, we recommend checking out our top alternative. It's more flexible, packed with features, and you can try it for free link in the description.